Hello guys!
Hello guys!
Welcome to Not David Zimaleta. In today's video I have a really special unboxing. This is a backup camera and a dash cam all in one. Welcome to part 1 of VanTop dash cam video. In this video we're going to actually do the unboxing. The installation will come in the next video. This camera is actually really cool. It has a touchscreen and a 4K resolution front and rear camera. It requires a really intricate installation, and I would like to actually give you full instructions in the next video. Thank you for watching. What a nice box, yeah? Well, you look at that. This is a very nice presentation. Let's go ahead and actually remove the styrofoam piece. We're gonna place it right here. And what do we have here? We have a mirror for the dash. You wanna pull it out, Jason?
Yeah.
Okay.
I will get charger for it.
So this is a mirror here. It's actually located right on top. It's protected with this type of coating here. We're gonna go ahead and actually remove this wraparound. I would like to explain some of the things. So it is a VanTop brand. It's listed right here. This is a protective screen right here. And look what kind of nice display this is.
Dad.
Isn't that cool?
Dad, it looks clean.
Looks clean?
Dad, do you see the sticker?
Mm-hmm.
Dad, there's a button.
You could actually see through this mirror. And the cool thing about it is not only that it's a mirror, it's actually a display that's built in right inside. This is really high quality technology here that's actually inside of this mirror. Everything is built really nicely. I really like the way things are curving over here. I actually want to install this in one of my cars. We just finished the Chrysler 300. And this is actually what I'm going to be installing it in. So we're going to go ahead and actually pull this out. And pull this out. And there's a lot of wire in here. So this means we're going to need like a professional type of installation. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Give you step-by-step instructions. So here's a charger for it. You could clearly see this does come USB type of charger for your cigarette lighter. And it looks like it's a lot of wires and it seems like it's kind of scary, but it's actually not. So what you have here is actually a camera. This is a backup camera that you would actually install on your vehicle, possibly somewhere where your license plate is or your trunk lid. You would install it there. So we're gonna find a good place to actually mount this to. So this is a little peel tool. And this is little rubber pieces that we're gonna be using. So it seems to me that it's not that complicated. I mean, we have this red wire right here that we're gonna have to splice, and we have this plug here. This is very tightly wrapped, so possibly we're gonna need to remove our dash liner. We're gonna run it underneath the dash liner, and it's going to plug in over here, AV in connector. So we have basically a charging port that's gonna go here. One of the connectors is gonna go here. Here we're gonna have to put like a micro SD card, and that's pretty much it. This is actually not that complicated. I'm going to actually unwrap this type of wire, and I'm gonna take a look at where the rest of it kind of goes. I believe I know where this is going. This is gonna go to a backup light. That's actually going to be pretty simple to find which light is actually backing up. This is why this one is a lot shorter. So all you do is mount the camera, hook this thing up to the backup light, then run this somewhere. I would just actually run this in your roof liner, underneath your roof liner. You know, probably just pull it up and run it underneath somewhere over there, or kind of like along the edges of it. It is kind of long enough. I think it's going to be possible for you to have a really nice connection and to have everything that's going to show up and hidden. And because it is kind of like a mirror type of a display, it will actually, the wires is going to come from the top and going to plug in. So you do have another camera right here that's always like on the lookout. as a mirror, so that's actually really good. And I guess for the mounting, you would possibly mount this onto the existing mirror already, with these little hooks kind of going like that. So this is what the rubber pieces are for. So you're gonna slide this in, and then you're gonna pull it over your mirror, and you're gonna basically like that. So they're going to be holding this on the mirror. So this is actually good, and looks like we have 2 more extra ones. So just in case, maybe like they're gonna get old or they're gonna rip, you're gonna have 2 more right there. So from what I could see, it looks intimidating at first, but this is actually not that difficult. It's actually quite easy. So we also have a sticker here. This is a 3M sticker, and this sticker is going to be used for this here. There's another one. So you're gonna need to put a 3M sticker over here on the camera, and of course, once you actually mount it, you could tighten up the screws. You could possibly flip the camera over like this and have it somewhere sticking out from underneath your trunk lid. It's actually going to be pretty cool. And having 2 stickers is nice, so in case you mess up, you could have a second sticker to help you. Also, it does come with a very tiny screws. You could basically drill a couple tiny holes and then mount it. And in case you need to peel up your your visor or your roof liner or anything like that, brackets, this is what it's going to be used for. You could just like a little pry tool that is plastic. It should not make any damages whatsoever. So that's actually going to be good. So we're going to actually go ahead and in the next segment, we're going to go ahead and actually mount this dash cam mirror, set everything up, and then show you guys actually how to do it, and of course record some footage of us driving, and the front footage, backing up footage and stuff like that. I'm gonna show what the footage looks like, and I'm gonna also show you what this thing looks like when it's in use. There's also a power button on over here. So it's also got automatic recording technology, so when something happens, if you're like in danger or whatever, it's gonna actually immediately starts recording, which I would actually like to see that, some kind of like emergency situation. It's gonna start recording for a certain amount of seconds, so it catches that for you. So anyways guys, let's go ahead and actually mount it. So what do you think, Jason, about this?
It's just a mirror.
It's a mirror. This is actually a display. This actually will come on. This is gonna be like a cell phone display over here. Look at this, guys. It comes on. And look, immediately you could see the camera, it's actually looking at us, right? Look at that. Look, Jason. Isn't that cool?
You see this? You see this? Do you see this? Like
yeah, this is a camera. Kevin, can you see us?
Yeah.
Isn't that cool?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
It's very amazing.
It is very amazing. It's amazing technology. So boys, do you like our new backup camera?
Yeah.
And driving camera?
Yeah.
It's really nice. Well guys, we're gonna go ahead and go and install this amazing camera onto our vehicle that obviously holds a charge, a good one at that. It is a touch screen. That's kind of cool. So we are recording right now 2K resolution. That's actually amazing. So we have settings right here and all kinds of stuff. Guys, so once I actually install this camera, we're gonna go through some of these settings and set things up and explain to you a little bit of what each one of them does. And of course, we will record some footage of us driving. And it's going to be in part 2, which is going to be the installation, driving, and reviewing of the actual video quality and the actual settings and everything like that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next one.
Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter, Expedite, or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.